Voice chat not working in Mobile Legends is a common problem on Android. Now, if your mic isn't working or you can't hear your teammates' voice chat, try these fixes. Solution 1. Turn up in-game sound settings. Open Mobile Legends. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Sound section. Make sure Voice Chat and Battlefield Voice Signal is turned on. These two settings are needed for the quick chat to work. If you can't find Battlefield Voice Signal, then go to the Basic section at the top. Now, go to Custom and set all your graphics settings to medium. Set medium for map quality, model quality, and everything else. After that, go back to Sound section. Battlefield Voice Signal should now be available. Make sure it's turned on. Also, increase the voice chat volume to max. Solution 2. Enable Allow Sound in Android settings. Find the Mobile Legends app. Press and hold onto it. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Go to Permissions. Ensure microphone and audio access are allowed, if available. Once the permissions are enabled, check your issue. Solution 3. Check your phone audio. First, make sure your phone isn't muted. Increase volume buttons to the max level on your phone and check your issue. Aside from that, Android may block mic usage during call or DND. Swipe down from the top of your phone. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Silent mode is not turned on. If they are, disable them. After that, tap and hold onto the audio slider on your control panel. Increase the audio slider to max. Then, enable Dual by Atmos by selecting Audio. After that, your problem will be fixed. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Mobile Legend fixes. See you next time!